We're here at the historic Pestle Grill Way. Today is my favorite kind of day. We're on site. Follow me. We just got our product delivered to site to one of our favorite local contractors. This is Cumaru, also known as Brazilian teak or Dipteryx odorata. With Cumaru, you get this beautiful cross grain, a high performance tropical hardwood at a price point lower than eBay. By buying at AdvantageLumber.com, you can order your luxury building materials custom to your order with rain screen profiles, decking profiles, and also specified lengths. Cumaru is a beautiful and natural product. Remember, you can save time and money by pre-ordering specified short lengths. So tropical hardwoods, and Cumaru in particular, are great decking products. What we might not know is also a great siding and cladding product. Here today in particular, we're looking at a rain screen profile. And the difference between rain screen and a typical siding is you actually build it off the wall, in this particular case 3/4 of an inch, using these Deckwise clips, which provide a perfect fit for your board to go against the furring strip. Let's talk about plugs. So Deckwise pre-cuts these plugs to match the species being used here in the fascia and the rain screen starter boards. It's gonna save you time and money by buying these plugs already done. One of the keys to success when installing tropical hardwoods is to seal the ends. Here's Deckwise Ipe Seal. Every time you cut the ends, you've got to make sure you seal. That'll avoid checking on your miters, on your butt joints, to make sure you have a great install.